Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about Ivana Rocks. Discover the incredible journey of actress Ivana. From her early days in Malayalam cinema to her breakthrough roles in Tamil films, explore her unique fashion sense, stunning dressing style, and evolving media image. Learn how to elegant blend of traditional and modern fashion has made her a style icon. Get instant into her career milestone, personal charm, and future inspiration in the entertainment industry. Ivana, the talented actress renowned for her roles, has recently captivated her audience with stunning photoshoots that showcase her evolving fashion sense and undeniable charm, which has been circulating widely on social media platforms, highlights her versatility and elegance, further solidifying her status as a fashion icon. In this latest series, Ivana dons a high chic neck red dress that perfectly complement her complexions and accentuated her graceful silhouettes. The choice of vibrant of red who not exude confident but also pay homage to classical Bollywood glamours. Her resemblance is accentuated with traditional jhumkas, adding a touch of culture, authenticity, and blending contemporary fashion with traditional elements. Her hairstyle, a charms में messy burn, adds the relaxed and sophisticated vibes. This effortless up to frame her face beautifully, drawing attention to her expressive eye and radiant smile. The minimalistic makeup enhances her natural features, allowing her innate beauty to shine through without overwhelming the viewers. The setting of photoshoots is equally captivated against a backdrop that balances modern aesthetics with subtle traditional motifs. Ivana stands posed, embodying grace and pose. The interplay of lights and shadow in the photographs at depth highlight the intricate detail of her attire and the texture within the scene. Photographer Deepak Porkatiravan masterfully captured Ivana's scenes, ensuring each frame tells a story, elegance and strength. His use of soft lighting and strategic angle emphasizing her best features, creating images that are both aesthetic and authentic. The style Swarupa Satakarni deserve commending for curated of an outfit that resonate with Ivana personality. The ensemble strike a harmonious balance between contemporary trends and traditional aesthetic, reflecting Ivana's versatility as an actress and a fashion enthusiast. Fan and fashion critics alike have lauded these photographs, noting Ivana's ability to effortlessly transition between diverse style. Her confidence and pose in front of camera have been highlighted as key factor contributing to the shoot's success, with many praising her as a muse of modern fashion. This photoshoot not only showcased Ivana's fashion sensibility but also reflect her journey in the entertainment industry. From her debut as a child artist to her current status, she has continuously evolved, embraces new challenges and redefining her image. Moreover, the shoot serves as inspiration to many young individuals who look up to Ivana, her ability to blend traditional and modernity, and her confidence in experimenting with different styles encourage others to embrace their unique identity and express themselves freely. In conclusion, Ivana's latest photoshoot is a testament of dynamic persona and her commitments to her craft. It encapsulates her growth as an artist and fashion icon, leaving an incredible mark on her audience and setting new benchmarks in the world of fashion photography. Alina Saji, professionally known as Ivana, is an Indian actress who has made significant contributing and Tamil Malayalam cinemas. Born on 25 February 2000 in Kerala, India, Ivana began her acting career and has since established herself as a talented and versatile performer. Ivana possesses a graceful, youthful appearance that complements on her screen presence with expressive eye and a warm smile. She exudes a natural charm that resonates with audience. Her features allow her to portray a wide range of emotion, enhancing the depth of her characters. Throughout her career, Ivana has maintained a positive and approachable image in the media. She is often praised of her humility and dedication to her craft. Her interaction during interviews and public appearances reflect a grounded personality, endearing her to fans and colleagues alike. Ivana's fashion sense is a harmonious blend of traditional elegance and contemporary style. She often opts for outfits that reflect her cultural heritage, such as saris, salwar kameez, while also embracing modern fashion trends. Her ability to balance these elements showcase her versatility and appreciation for diverse fashion aesthetic. Ivana's journey in the film industry began as a child artist Malayalam cinemas. She made her debut with supporting roles in the film Masters. Her breakthrough came with Tamil films directed by Bala, where she portrayed the characters Arasi. Her performance received critical acclaim and marked by her transition into lead roles. Following her notable debut in the Tamil cinema, Ivana contributed to Take that showcased her acting prowess. In 2022, she gained widespread recognition for her role as Nikita in the film of Love Today, which resonated with audience and critics alike. Her filmography reflects a commitment to selecting roles that challenges her and contribute meaningfully to the narrative. Ivana's dressing sense is characterized by its simplicity and elegance. She often chooses attire that align with the events of attends, often for traditional wear during cultural functions, and chicks modern outfit that casual appearance. Her style choice reflect a deep understanding of fashion, role in personal expression and cultural representation. This photoshoot not only showcased Ivana's fashion sensibility but also reflect her journey in the entertainment industry. From her debut as a child artist to her current status, she has continuously evolved, embraces new challenges and redefining her image. Moreover, the shoot serves as inspiration to many young individuals who look up to Ivana. Her ability to blend traditional and modernity and her confidence in experimenting with different styles encourage others to embrace their unique identity and express themselves freely. As of 2K25, Ivana contributed to be an active presence in the film industry. She has been involved in various projects that highlight her versatility as an actress, and her performance contribute garnish appearance from both audience and critics. Ivana is widely regarded as a talented and dedicated actress.